it used to have fraud. You would actually have someone, with the gall to like come into your office and say, I am this person, or I am doing this. Since, we've moved to this kind of technology-based, business, it's kind of opened up the fraud to the entire world. We always kind of sit there and think that we live in this kind of bubble, that this stuff's not going to happen to us, but we're seeing it all over. The biggest fraud that we see is wire fraud. So somebody's trying to intercept the transaction prior to the closing and get you to wire money to the wrong location. So it's very important that we deliver our wire instructions in a secure way. So we use CertifID on both our buy side and our sell side. If we're not going to be physically in contact with somebody, we're going to be using CertifID to verify somebody is who they say they are. It makes me be able to sleep at night. There's so much fraud out there. Being partnered with CertifID just makes my life so much easier.